Hey guys.
Hi.
This is something different for us. How many times have we done this?
We've been here before. We've never stayed.
No, I mean, how many times have we done a room review?
Oh,
Disney.
actually, this is our first one.
Might be the first one.
But this is our first one. So we're at Coronado Springs.
Ooh, looks like there's construction in that room.
And we are at the Casitas.
Casitas room.
3rd floor.
4354.
I haven't seen it yet. I'm excited.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. You gonna open the door? Oh. Yes! It worked the first time.
We're legit.
Ooh, it's dark. Oh, it's the remodeled rooms.
What? Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It's got
the fresh
like,
paint.
It's got like the new smell.
It's got that fresh paint smell.
What?
I'll turn some lights on so I can see. Oh, that's a huge TV too, isn't it? What are the...
Where's the lights?
Are those pins?
Oh, here's lights. Ooh,
Ooh, and a fan. You have stepped up the game with a fan in a room. Oh my god. That is what every hotel room needs.
Can you see now?
Do you see they have pins?
Look at the Mickey!
Hidden Mickey.
Actually, you know, this is the first time we've had a Mickey on our bed.
It is. Oh, look at Donald, the 3 Caballeros.
Oh, because it's under construction.
Oh, cool. When you're curious, you'll find lots of interesting things to do. And one thing it takes time to accomplish.
It smells so clean in here.
Thank you for being our guest. Wow. Oh, look at all the USB ports and everything else. So, which bed do you want?
I don't know. Look how much room you have on this counter.
And they had the Keurig with, is it Joffrey's coffee? It is. Oh, look at room occupied. We're off to Neverland.
I really like this chair.
The chair's nice. Oh, look at 3 Caballeros there too. Nice.
This is really nice. What's in here? The fridge.
Oh,
ooh,
wow.
it's clear?
Even better because how many times do you open the fridge and go, what's in there? An extra chair in case we have guests.
This is really nice though. Get some more plugs there and USB
modern
plugs
lamp.
There. A lot of.
We will be charging things this weekend, that's for sure.
This looks like it's hooked to another room, but that's okay.
Yeah.
I like the mirror
on the barn door. Hey, Bob. More 3 Caballeros. I'm guessing that's the theme.
Everything smells so nice.
Yeah, it smells. I know there's probably been somebody in the room.
Sometimes, and you got that carpet.
Yeah. Well, yeah, this is.
You don't have to worry about that here.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about.
Oh, you know what?
What?
You can fit like your suitcase under the bed because there's enough room.
That's awesome.
And you can see under there, and there's no creepy stuff under there.
Just in case you were curious about creepy stuff, there's none under there.
Well, I mean, you never know.
And they got light switches everywhere, huh?
Ooh, look at the...
The what? The frosted glass?
The stuff in the shower.
Oh, wow, that's their H2O. This is not a...
Oh, it's got a little thing.
This is a moderate resort, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, sorry.
Oh, 2 shower heads?
What?
Yep. One comes off. Kind of like the one at home.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
And then it's got hooks to hang your clothes so you don't get them wet.
And it's got a pocket door.
Pocket door.
So you can shower with the door shut. Oh, and there's our
little cabinet.
Our wardrobe. Is that what they called them when we were in Germany?
Iron it.
Safe, it might be in that one over there. Or is it in that one you were at? Little safe?
Just a little nook.
Little nook.
This is super nice.
All their H2O products.
This countertop, fancy.
Look at this. This turns on somehow. With the switch. With the switch. It comes on with the switch.
And then the bathroom area, there's tile, which is nice.
Tile, yes. Very nice. Overall, man, if it wasn't for the 3 Caballeros and the Disney touches, you wouldn't even know you're in a Disney resort.
No, it's nice.
They've done a great job updating these rooms.
A lot of room.
Yep. Yep.
I really like it. I like the chair.
One night we'll sleep there, one night we'll sleep there.
That's true. The AC things are there. So far, this is awesome.
Yep.
I really like it.
I'm excited.
They did a good job.
I love the fan. Every hotel room needs a fan. So all in all, this room is pretty nice. I'm glad you picked this resort.
So after this, like maybe after our stay,
Yeah.
we might update you and say if this room, if we hear any like
Construction
noises, because the parking lot is right there, but it's a little ways away, so I don't think we're gonna hear any noise from it.
But walking up, there was a lot of concrete dust from.
There was. It looked like
2
there was
rooms
some
down, maybe?
construction
Yeah.
on some rooms on this level. So we'll update you and let you know what we thought about this
Yep.
location and this spot. But so far, it's really nice.
And in case nothing changes, thanks for watching. Right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on. In case nothing changes,
Thanks for watching.
don't waste a day. Every day is a gift, right? Look at
Yeah.
this. Every day is a gift.
And if you stayed here, tell us about your experience.
Tell us if you stayed here before they remodeled it or
I'm
after.
super excited to explore everything, so
Yeah.
look for our other videos.
Yeah, we're gonna check out this whole resort.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a resort tour. We're here.
So
we might as well do it.
excited. So let's go get our stuff and get settled.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bags packed to around the run.